Welcome back, everyone. We're always checking out the AI Agent Store for interesting new tools, and
Yeah.
we found something pretty cool on their website recently, an agent called Runner H.
Ah, yes, Runner H. I've been looking into that one too.
It seems like it could be a real help if you're finding your automations are still, well, a bit brittle or
Mm.
need constant watching over.
Exactly. It's not just, another automation script. Runner H is designed as an orchestration AI agent.
Wow.
Think of it planning and automating those trickier multi-step workflows, the ones that cross different apps, different websites.
Okay. And who's it really aimed at?
Well, primarily automation engineers, software developers, productivity teams, basically anyone really tired of those manual, repetitive digital tasks that just drain time.
Right, the time sinks. So, okay, let's get into it. I saw this figure on their site, 86% autonomy level. That sounds high. What does that actually unlock for a team? Is it just faster or something more?
Yeah, that's a great point because autonomy gets thrown around a lot. But here it feels like it enables a real shift. What's fascinating, I think, is how it deals with the unexpected.
The unexpected, like when a website button moves slightly.
Precisely. That high autonomy means Runner H can actually adapt when the user interface changes unpredictably. The small stuff that normally breaks traditional automation. It can even self-heal those automation pipelines without needing someone to jump in and fix it manually.
Self-heal. Okay, that's impressive. How does it manage that?
It uses its own proprietary vision language model, so it can essentially see and understand web pages and apps a bit like a human does. And that's how it hits that really high 92.2% success rate for executing tasks, even complicated web stuff.
Okay, so it's smart, it adapts. But let's talk practicalities. Where would you actually use Runner H day to day? Can you give us some examples?
Absolutely. Think about automating a full process, like maybe onboarding a new client, which involves several web apps, or building really solid web automation for things like gathering data or just monitoring website changes.
Mhm.
And it's great for streamlining those really tedious manual bits to filling out the same forms over and over or complex calendar scheduling across different platforms.
Okay, that makes sense.
And another interesting part is the multi-agent orchestration. You can give it one instruction, and Runner H can manage other specialized AI agents to complete different parts of a complex job.
Wow, so it's like a conductor for other AIs, too.
Kind of, yeah. It coordinates the whole workflow.
That sounds incredibly useful, really takes automation up a level. So how can people try this out?
Well, it's on a freemium model, and right now it's actually in private beta.
Private beta.
Mm,
So free access for now.
that's right. You can access it for free during this beta phase.
Okay, great. So just to wrap up then, Runner H seems like a potential game changer if you're struggling with automating complex, repetitive digital work. That high autonomy, the robust performance, it really could free you up for more important things.
Definitely. And maybe this brings up a question for you listening. Think about your own workday. What's one multi-step task? Maybe one that's kind of frustrating that Runner H might be able to automate for you. What could you do with that time back?
Yeah, definitely food for thought. If you want to learn more about Runner H or explore other cool agents, head over to aiagentstore.ai. Thanks so much for tuning in today. And hey, if you have a moment, please do rate the show. It really helps other people find us.